transferring money between bank account is easier than ever. At its best, money can provide flexibility, and part of that is being able to move your money without causing headaches. Money causes enough stress on its own. You don't need to add to it. It's used to be that transferring money between accounts meant a trip to the bank. These days there are a number of convenient options, from bank transfers to apps. Moving money fluidly has never been easier. How to transfer money between banks in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Know where your money is going and how much of it is making the trip. The detail matter. Before moving your money, make sure you know the information for the accounts to which you are sending it, along with other relevant information such as the account detail of where you are moving the money from. For example, what are the routing and account numbers. Also, don't forget to ensure that there is enough money to cover the transfer. Step 2. Choose how you are going to send the money. There are a number of options for moving money these days. Which one are you planning to use? A physical bank, a credit union, a money transfer app, a banking app? Then check what the different methods cost, whether there are any limitations on how much you can transfer, and how long it takes for the transfer to happen. Step 3. Send the money. Once you have all that figured out, sending the money is straightforward. If it's through an app, then log on to the app and select transfer, enter the relevant information and approve the transfer. If it's in person at a bank, take the information to the branch and speak with a teller. Step 4. Make sure the transfer went through. If you were sending the money to someone else, did it get there? Until you are sure, hold on to any documents you have in case you need to ask the bank to reverse the transfer if, for instance, you accidentally sent it to the wrong place. What is the best way to transfer money between banks? Bank websites make the process simple. Log on to the website of your financial institution and punch in the account details in the transfer section. Once you have double checked the account number, approve the transfer. There are, however, a few cases in which this may not be your best option. What are alternative ways to transfer money? Wire transfer. If you want to electronically transmit a large amount of money from one bank to another or send money overseas, a wire transfer could be in order. The term wire transfer usually refers to transactions that rely on the SWIFT network, a global financial messaging network used for international transfers. These work by moving the money from the sender account to their bank, which then communicates with the receiver bank before moving the money electronically. Transfer can move across multiple banks if the money is moving abroad. ACH transfer. Then there an automated clearing house, ACH transfer. These go through the ACH network. Clearing house, an electronic network intermediary that's used by credit unions and banks across the US to limit risk in payments. How does that work? According to NACHA, the organization that oversees the ACH network, once a transfer is requested, the bank from which the money is being sent will package a group of ACH transfer and send them to the clearing house. The transfers will then be processed by the ACH network. From there, the transfers are sent to the receiving bank in ways. Once that bank has the funds, it will credit the relevant accounts. Apps are perhaps the most convenient options. Many banks now have their own apps. For example, if you bank with Chase, you can access most financial services by logging on to its app. Some financial apps are particularly good for specific types of transfers. For instance, if you register an account with Revolut, the London-based FinTouch